He definitely saw us. We couldn't get into that one because we got into the tunnel, but we were like didn't want to get our feet wet because it's like -4 right now. And then we were like shimmying on the side. There's like a little walkway right on the side, and it just ended, and we're like, nah, screw this. So we went all the way back, and now we're leaving. We're just gonna go do a cave that we have done a lot before, but it'll be fun. With Brandon 1 and 2.
Fuck you. Almost got my fucking soaked to your ass.
Yeah, the walkway was like icy as balls. I swear I said careful, it's icy, but
no, you did.
That doesn't mean that doesn't guarantee he's not gonna slip.
I know. It just guarantees that he could try to be careful. And
Fuck you.
and he stepped on it and his foot slipped into the water. And just take note, it's like -4 right now, so it's cold as crap. But that's pretty much it for now. We're gonna go check out something else.
The ground is weird, it's like clay.
Alright, now we're here in this Candyman. We've been here a lot, but it's better than nothing. Better than sitting in the cold.
Fucking why? They're really cool though.
Yeah, they were. Jeez, look at all like the bricks. I don't remember this.
What the fuck is it?
Wait, what the?
No, it's
it's a
wood.
ton of wood. That definitely wasn't here last time I was in here. Here,
Big ass gear doors.
I got a photo idea. Ew. Is it? It's on though, right?
Yeah.
Cool. I set to F22 to get everything in focus, and it's 30-second exposure. I just want to get everything like lit properly.
My photo teacher didn't even know what the fuck raw was.
How is she like? Is it a he or she? How is he qualified? He's a photo teacher. He didn't know what raw meant. Gosh, it's still foggy from how cold it was outside. I got a good pick idea. Turn the intensity of that light down to like 10. You just scroll the button. Okay, I got a good idea. Mac, stand somewhere. Just like have your flashlight on. Stand like over that entrance. I mean that like walkway, right in between the rock and wall. Yeah, it doesn't matter the light. The exposure will get it. What the heck? Look at all the candles by that.
Oh yeah.
Let me see how those turned out. Dang, that's kind of cool. Come here and look at this.
It's fucking hype.
You'll see. Oh, we can go back there. I think there's some cool pick ideas that I could get out of that. This thing right here. I'm surprised this hasn't gotten like any bigger since. This is not a good place for a photo. Barbed wire. I mean.
Barbed wire.
Rhubarb. Rebar. It's a bunch of rhubarb pie.
Candyman's known for its good ass rhubarb.
Damn, it smells like spray paint. Yeah. I did not make you walk over here. That's your own choice. Don't say that. Sorry, this thing is not cooperating. No, I did take a couple, but this I'm getting. Oh shh! This thing. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here. It ain't over.
Get crazy.
He's getting lit. He's getting cooked. What if I was gonna trip over some wire and like. This is weird.
Alright, I'm gonna have to follow Eric's little blinking red dot.
I forgot I had that. I just kicked him. Mac, you go up there with Ethan. I'll stand right here. Go a little farther up. Okay, you're probably good right there. Stop. Stop, stop, stop. Matt, I'm taking the pic right now. Oh, that's dope. That's actually dope. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Wow. No, cause I'm not cool, dude. No. Really?
Yes.
Why would the school support that?
Exactly. Wait, not getting vaccines? Yes. What the fuck?
That's.
He doesn't have any vaccines.
They are stupid as
They praise so much they want to join.
That's what I'm saying.
Alright, so that's pretty much a wrap on this day. Not getting to do what we wanted at first, but then figuring something out. That's how it goes most of the time. Look, there's a car coming.